everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talk, where learning English feels natural and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hello to all our amazing learners listening around the world. It's so great to be here with you today.
It really is. Mark, before we start today's lesson, I have a question for you.
All right, I'm ready. What is it?
If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
Ooh, that's a great question. Let me think for a moment. I would probably choose Japan. I've always wanted to visit Tokyo and see the cherry blossoms.
Cherry blossoms, those beautiful pink flowers that bloom in spring, right?
Exactly. They only last for a short time and the whole place looks magical.
That sounds wonderful. For me, I think I'd go to Greece. Blue water, white buildings, amazing food. I just want to sit by the ocean and relax.
That sounds perfect. And actually, Anna, that's a great way to introduce today's topic.
It is. Today, we're talking all about holidays, how to talk about vacations, trips, and time off in English.
This is such an important topic because everyone loves talking about holidays.
Absolutely. Whether you're planning a trip, talking about a past vacation, or simply dreaming about your next adventure, these phrases are very useful.
Before we continue, we have a small favor to ask.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Daily English Talk and give this episode a like.
It really helps other English learners find our podcast.
And don't forget to share it with friends so you can practice together.
Thank you so much for your support.
All right, Mark, let's start with a simple question. What does the word holiday actually mean?
That's a great place to start because it can be confusing. In British English, holiday usually means vacation, time when you travel or rest.
So a British person might say, I'm going on holiday to Spain next week.
Exactly. But in American English, people usually say vacation instead.
Right. Americans often say, I'm going on vacation or I'm taking a vacation.
And in American English, holiday can also mean special days like Christmas or New Year's Day.
Yes, those are public holidays, days when most people don't work.
So the meaning depends on the country and the context.
But don't worry, people will usually understand you.
Another very useful phrase is time off.
Yes, time off means days when you don't work or go to school.
For example, I asked my boss for some time off next month.
Or, I need a few days off to visit my family.
You'll hear this phrase a lot in everyday English.
Another common expression is take a break.
That means stopping work to rest for a short time.
For example, I need to take a break. I've been working all morning.
Or let's take a coffee break.
So now our listeners know holiday, vacation, time off, and take a break.
Mark, not all holidays are the same, right?
Definitely not. Some holidays are about travel and others are about rest.
For example, a beach holiday.
That's when you go to the ocean, relax in the sun, swim, and maybe read a book.
I love beach holidays. They're perfect for relaxing.
They're also great for recharging.
Recharge means resting and getting your energy back.
Exactly. After a busy year, everyone needs to recharge.
Then there are city holidays.
Yes, visiting cities like Paris, Rome, or New York.
City holidays are more active. You walk a lot and explore museums and neighborhoods.
Explore means discovering new places.
Some people prefer adventure holidays.
Like hiking, climbing, or camping.
That's not really for me. I like comfort.
Fair enough. Others love excitement and challenges.
There are also family holidays.
Yes, visiting relatives and spending time together.
Family holidays are more about people than places.
And then there's a staycation.
That means staying at home during your holiday.
Sometimes that's exactly what you need. Ada, what's the first thing you do when you plan a holiday?
First, I decide where I want to go.
That's the fun part, dreaming and looking at photos online.
I make a list of places I want to visit.
That's called a bucket list.
After choosing a place, you need to book everything.
Yes, book flights and book hotels.
Then comes packing.
Packing is stressful for me.
Me too. I always pack too much.
I usually make a packing list. Passport, phone charger, toothbrush.
And sunscreen if you're going somewhere sunny. When I travel, I like to get away from my normal routine.
Get away means escaping everyday life.
I love trying local food.
Food is a great way to learn about culture.
I also like walking around with no plan.
That's a wonderful way to explore.
Do you buy souvenirs?
Yes, something small to remember the trip.
A very common question is, where did you go on holiday?
So, Mark, where did you go on your last holiday?
I went to Portugal last summer.
How was it?
It was amazing. The food was incredible.
What was the best part?
Listening to traditional music in a small restaurant.
That sounds wonderful. What about you? I went to Scotland last autumn.
The Highlands?
Yes, green hills, castles, and lots of sheep.
Was the weather good?
Rainy, but beautiful.
Different cultures have different ideas about holidays.
In many European countries, people get several weeks of vacation.
In some places, people feel guilty about taking time off.
But rest is important for health and happiness.
One exciting part of holidays is anticipation.
That's the feeling of excitement before the trip.
Do you like detailed itineraries?
I prefer a balance, some planning, some spontaneity.
You don't need a fortune to have a great holiday.
Some of the best experiences are free.
Jet lag can be difficult after long flights.
But excitement helps you forget the tiredness.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
Both have advantages.
Solo travel builds confidence.
Have you ever had a travel disaster?
Yes, missing a train in Morocco.
But it became a good memory.
Exactly. Travel teaches flexibility.
Closing. We covered so much today.
Holidays, planning, useful phrases, and cultural differences.
Now we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite holiday memory?
Try to use some of today's phrases.
Don't worry about mistakes, just practice.
Please subscribe to Daily English Talk, like this episode, and share it with friends.
Thank you so much for your support.
We hope you have a wonderful day and an amazing holiday in the future.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep dreaming.
See you in the next episode of Daily English Talk.
Goodbye.